Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be vlogging for you guys. I'm kind of gonna be just walking around my house and doing like cooking and whatnot. So I don't know what the day will bring me, but I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So let's get right into it. Now I'm going to make some homemade French fries. I will leave the recipe down below if you guys want to check that out. So yeah, let's get into the video again, even though I just said it. Oh, how I wish this avocado was ripe so I can dip my fries in it, but you know, it's not. Only this little squishy part right here, that's it. Come here! You're a boy! How precious. Hey guys, so I just ate all of my French fries and right now I am editing a video. I'm super excited to edit and post this video for you guys. Just a little sneak peek. So yeah, I'm just gonna be editing. I'm just gonna pause that music. I'm sitting right in front of my heater. This is like a ritual for me. I literally always sit in front of the heater. I don't know if you guys know that, but like, now you know. So I also need to clean my room. It's so messy and I have like all my lights set up. I want to get new lights for Christmas, maybe, possibly, maybe like a second set, so like when I'm in my brother's old room, I can film my DIYs without having to move everything and just have it set up. And I think having it that way will make me more motivated to do DIY projects and it won't hurt my back because I'll be sitting at a desk rather than like just doing it on my dirty floor. So yeah, that's like pretty much all that I have right now and I'll update you later. So I'm honestly just like not feeling my hair anymore. Like I love the pink, don't get me wrong, but like when it fades out, like I just like hate how like it looks. Like I don't know. I'm gonna try to see if my old extensions will kind of like, you know, like fade into the bottom, because like right here is pink and then right here is just like blonde, like a blonde peachy color. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. So I put all my hair extensions in. It's not the same color and like they're so damaged, but honestly I feel like if I braid it, like I could get away with it. So I'm gonna braid it and show you guys what that will look like. So this is what it looks like. I really like it. I might do like something with my bangs, kind of lift them up, like try to make my hair not look like so flat because my bangs are like really long now. I think I might just like cut them just like a tiny bit or just like wait till I go back to work and have them cut them. So I don't know, what do you guys think? I really like the long hair though. It makes me look like so much better. So just a little update, I've been like reorganizing and like moving stuff around in the other room, which was my brother's old room, and this is like what I've come to right now. I do want to repaint everything, but I won't probably get to that until like next year. And down here is just like a bunch of like movies, girly movies, and I have my Audrey Hepburn book as well as this old vintage mirror, and it like lights up day, office, and home. So cute. Then I have my little crafting corner over here. I really love these bins. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They actually don't have them anymore. I haven't seen them since, so you're really lucky if you got your hands on one of these bins. I also put these reindeer up here. I thought they looked really adorable, and like I didn't know where to put them, but they're so cute up here. It's just like on this like rack next to my dresses. Also, just a little outfit of the day. I have this Ariana Grande shirt that I got from Salvation Army on. I think it was like $3.99. And then I have this really flowy skirt. I want to get more skirts like this. They're really feminine and so cute. And then I have these boots on. These are kind of slouchy, which I like to wear with skirts like this, because if they're like higher up, then it looks like weird and like, I don't know, I just don't like that look. But this look is so cute and I absolutely love my extensions. I think everything goes really well together. So over in this corner, I'm just like redoing everything once again. I love this mirror. This is my favorite mirror. And this is so cute too. It's like a little sconce thing. Is that how you call it? I don't know what you call it. Anyways, I have this little picture. I have yet to put a picture in there. Let me know in the comments down below like what kind of picture I should put in there. Maybe like a Cinderella picture. Who knows? Let's see. And then over here is just all my Cinderella little knickknacks. This is like a dream. I honestly love this so much. The only thing I don't like is the furniture part. I just don't like that brown color. Like it looks so bad. And then I have a bunch of like crap down there, and like all this needs to go somewhere. Like I need storage room. Because my brother used to live here and all his stuff is here, and it's just like ruining my aesthetic. It's just super magical. I really want a new phone because I feel like this phone is like not that good of a quality. But like I could use the other side. Like this is the front camera right now. I could use the other side of the camera, but then like I'll cut my head off. Like the intro of this video, that's what I did. And like I just can't, like, I don't know, I just like to look at myself while I'm recording just to know that everything is going well. Because like when I first started recording, I would always have to like go behind the camera and see like if it was recording, if it was in focus. I would record a whole video and I would be out of focus, and it's just anxiety, and I just like, I don't need more anxiety because I just have way too much. So yeah, I'm going to head to my boyfriend's house. I'm waiting for him to pick me up because my car is still like literally like sitting in my driveway. I'm going to be looking for a car on, what's today? It's Tuesday, and I'm going to be looking for a car on, no wait, I'm going to be looking for a car tomorrow. I'm going shopping with my mom, possibly for a Christmas present, and also for inventory for my Etsy shop. If you didn't already know, I have an Etsy shop, and I will leave it a link down below for you guys to check that out. And then on Tuesday, it's going to be my birthday. I'm going to be 24, so I hope you guys wish me a happy birthday on Tuesday. But yeah guys, that is it for today's vlog. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And also don't forget to follow all of my social media. Everything will be linked down below as usual, and I will see you guys in my next lovely video.